Hi, my name is Maria Taramigu and the application that I am going to show you is a work in progress in the context of Work Package 4 of Collage project. It is called Diversify and it is a browser-based application that diversifies the first 100 results of a commercial search engine. For our proof of concept, we will use Google and we will try to re-rank Google search results in order to achieve diversity of information in early ranks. This need exists as the average user usually checks just the first or perhaps up to the second page of the results. At the same time though, we desire to keep the relevance of the results at a high level. We hypothesize that through the use of an application like Diversify, the user might find possibly novel aspects of the query on the first page. Moreover, Diversify could provide triggers to the user to search to slightly different directions and find unexpected and why not inspiring results. Additionally, on occasions that the user is familiar with what he or she is looking for, if an application achieves to provide aspects that the user did not expect to receive, then there is increasing possibility that the user will get inspired. In the first scenario that I am going to show you subsequently, diversification enables user to find soon enough what he or she is looking for, whilst at the same time he or she gets information about relevant perspectives of the query. In the second scenario, diversification provides triggers to the user to slightly reformulate search and gain a more divergent view of the area of the query. Let's begin with our first scenario. Alex is going to give a presentation at school regarding threats from the use of cell phones. He searches on Google to find possible ideas. I'm going to Google homepage to search with the use of keywords use of mobile phones threats and check what Google returns. Checking the top 10 results, what we can see is that we have results particularly about security and privacy issues. It seems to me that Google returns the most popular results that constitute the current trend, which is the security issues that the mobile phone companies or users have to deal with. Now I'm going to press our Diversify button to see what happens after diversification. Checking again the top 10 to 12 results, we can see that with diversification we have achieved diversity in content even in the first 10 results. The results now include information not only about security and privacy issues, but also results related to health issues that people face due to the use of cell phones, results that have to do with how the cell phones are used from students at school in order to threaten other students, for example. Now, we can claim that the user has a more comprehensive picture of the subject in order to come up with more and diverse ideas. Now, let's proceed with our second scenario, whose description is the following. Jim, an executive in an international enterprise, reflecting on past projects of his company, tries to figure out collaboration barriers that his team has dealt with in the past. Additionally, he searches on the internet about collaboration barriers to find out about related topics. I will go back to Google to search for collaboration barriers. Checking again the top 10 results, one can notice that currently, before diversification, the results concern collaboration barriers across enterprises and workplaces in general, without specifying any domains. Let's check again. Okay, now I will press diversify once again. To check what is going on. Well, after diversification, we see that we acquire information about collaboration across different domains. For instance, school, healthcare, or university. Moreover, a quite interesting result is the one about Fisher's publication regarding social creativity and its relation to social collaboration. A result like this, I think that not only uncovers another aspect, but it also increases the probability that the user will form a different search query to explore the area under a slightly different perspective, the perspective of social creativity, for example. At this point, I'm going to form the question that might be an extension of this demonstration. Has diversification in search a potential to support idea generation or a creative and divergent way of thinking?